Hello everyone. Today we will learn inheritance in OOPS concept. So when a derived class inherit the properties and methods of a base class, then we called it as an inheritance. And with the help of this we can reduce redundancy and we can also modify the inherited methods. So these are the benefits of inheritance. So let's begin with programming. I have already created one class student2. So let me mention first example of inheritance for more clarity. Now we need to create, like I have mentioned student, so we'll create two property related to student. So first one, I think roll number is fine. One property will be roll number. It's a property. And another property is student name, so S name is fine. This is my second property. Third, I will create one method. So method name student detail is fine. So void student details. Method. Now I will write console.writeLine. And enter student name. Now I will write S name. I am using property directly here. Console.writeLine. So what actually I am doing here is I am just as a user, whatever input we are providing in the above line, first we will read it through console as a string and then we will store that text under sname property. So let me write all those things for more clarity. Store text under sname property. This is done. Now I will use console.writeLine again for student details, just a heading in console. So for that purpose you can write. This is optional, so you can avoid also. And again I will use console.writeLine in next line. Then I will write dollar in quotes. I have to mention student name and roll number along with their properties. Separated with comma, then roll number. this is done. So now I will create another, like my second class, which is child class. So I'll name it as new student, and here I will inherit all the method of my base class, which is student 2. Here I will not write anything, not any kind of constructor, because I will call all those things in the main class. Okay, so I am not putting anything here. I will directly use base class methods and properties. So now I will create another class, public class program. Like I said that I will use all those things in main, so we need to write static void main string. Oops. Now I will create an object of drive class, which is new student. Then I will call base class method. So for that I will use new student dot roll number, and any random number we can put here. So I am using 24. And another thing is the method, which is, I think this is not required. Yeah. New student dot student details. I think it's fine, you can use it directly. That's it. Now we need to just save it. Everything is there. We are calling directly from that base class because we have already inherit it. Now run and see, enter student name. So write any name, press enter, see student details, name and roll number is already available. So this is actually we call inheritance. It's an example of inheritance. If you have any question regarding this, then please let me know. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.